Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new account on the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we can swipe to the right, scroll down, and at the top we find this little circle with the 3 dots in it. We tap on that, and then at the bottom we find add an existing account. If you tap on this, the app is going to load, and here we can enter the phone number, email or username that is linked to that account, and then just tap on next, and we can add the account that we want to. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.